Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, in last class we discussed about the equality, right? So here there is a story which is based on the equality and the critical role of equality in democracy, right? So here we are going to study to know very well about what is equality, and here the story that is based, here the three characters are here. So I will start the story that it will be very easy to understand for you. So after understanding the story, we get an idea of understanding about equality. So we will see many dimension about equality. Okay. See, here people are standing in a queue or in a line. They all are going to vote. Okay. See some pictures here. So they all are standing. Like first in queue, that is a Manjit Kaur, who is teacher, Teja Singh, trader, Girish Rao, student, Kanta Devi, domestic worker, means she is a servant doing homework. Okay. Sujata, domestic worker, Abdul Rahman, artisans, and like housewife, consultant, government office, media person, unemployed, industrialist. So, so here a different profession, the different people are standing here, and for what reason they are going to the vote? Okay, for their representative. So they all are standing for the vote purpose. So in this story, there are two main characters. See in this picture, you will get idea. The two workers, the Kanta Devi and Sujata Kumari, who are the domestic worker. This story is based on these two women because they belongs to like a poor. Okay. So see here, I will start the story reading. Here, isn't it good, Suja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country? Even Jane Sahab is standing in the line with us. Jane Sahab is the owner where she is working. Okay. So other friends say yes. Then now her friends say, go on Kanta, it's your turn now. I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. She think and she'll vote. Afterwards, voting, the both lady came outside and they were discussing. They talking each other that, well, see you later, Kanta. His owner told to Kanta, and she said, yes, namaste, Sahib. Then Gudiya has been running fever, and I have to take care to the hospital. But I will have to finish the work at Sahib's house first and ask for some advance money. Okay. After going home, at home, she talked to her daughter that she's saying, here have some of this, you will feel better. And when I'll get back in the evening, we'll go to the hospital. Okay. Then after she was going out and she was thinking, it's no wonder that Gudiya falls ill often. The basti is never clean. Because she was thinking the basti is not clean, that's why my daughter is getting ill. Next, the owner, the lady say that make sure to do the corner properly. Okay, here your advance Kanta, but don't make a habit of it. Means she's telling that don't take advance money, don't make like it habit. Okay, so she say okay, no madam. And that evening, just few more minutes, Betty. She was talking to her Betty and she's saying just more minutes, Betty. Then she was thinking in her mind that Jane Madam and Jane Sahib may stand in the line to vote, but they never have to go to do it when their children are sick. She was thinking, if I was having a money, then I was going to the private hospital, but I am not having a money, so I'm standing in the queue. So she thinks, so children, you tell, do you think Kanta has enough reason to doubt whether she really is equal? So there is a different dimension, children. So we'll study in the different way about the Equality. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study further that is equality and its various forms like voting on the basis of the caste and religion, etc. Okay, story of Om Prakash Valmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Importance of recognizing dignity, equality in India, democracy. Okay, and here also we'll study midday meal scheme, how midday meal scheme or help the children, and issues of equality. Okay, in other democracies. Okay, so you will get after reading this chapter that is equality play a important role in our life or in our democratic country. So you will understand here a variety of rights we have. Okay, which rights is very fundamental to us. So later on we'll understand what is equality, equal rights to vote, and universal adult franchisee. So it will be very easy to understand after completing this chapter. Okay children, so next we'll continue the equal rights to vote and all. So this much you understood. So next class will continue in the next video. Thank you children.